Okay, so you're here to learn about NPS and how to use it correctly. First of all, congrats because you care about your customer's experience. Now, let's dive into the details. NPS means Net Promoter Score. It allows companies to understand how likely is it that their customers will recommend to their friends or colleagues and so on. This is how the NPS is being calculated. We have three types of people. We have the promoters, the ones that are giving a score from 9 to 10. We have the passives or neutrals, the ones that are giving 7 or 8. And we also have the detractors, the ones that are giving a rating from 0 to 6 on the chances for them to recommend your company to their friends, colleagues, and family. So mainly the calculation takes into account only the promoters and only the detractors. So mainly it's going to be the percentage of promoters if you subtract the detractors. So an NPS of 30 is being calculated like this, right? Out of 500 promoters minus 200 detractors, out of 1000 total responses, that will get you to an NPS of 30. So these are the groups that your customers are going to be falling in. Now, the problem with the NPS is that it's still an average. So if you look at the differences between St. Louis and San Francisco, there is the same average temperature, like 30 degrees, but if you look at the distribution throughout the different seasons, then it's actually different to stay in St. Louis than to stay in San Francisco. That means you need to understand more things about the NPS. You need to go in depth, right? For instance, the detractors, you want to understand which are the reasons that make them give you such a bad rating. Is the brand, the product, the service, whatever. And also you need to do NPS by RFM segment. In order to check the NPS by RFM group, you need to go to the Customer Experience tab and look at the NPS by RFM. This is automatically calculated once you run the surveys with Omniconvert. Now, such a distribution, as you can see over here, it allows you to see that there are some anomalies, right? The question is for the About to Dump You segment, what made them give you this rating? Thanks to this research, you can understand that maybe 24% gave you this rating because of the return policy, 21% because of the price, customer service, and so on. NPS is like debugging your customer journey. It allows you to get feedback from real customers and to fix what's broken, because the whole idea is not only to measure but also to take action based on the insights from it. If you look at this type of distribution, we have the power customers, the ones that are active and you want more of them, like soulmates, lovers, new passions, and flirting. Find more about RFM in that particular video. And the active customers, potential lovers, platonic, and apprentice, right? If you look at which are the reasons that made them detractors, are low product quality, low service quality, but you might also want to understand if some particular RFM segments are giving different ratings so that you can debug your customer experience for the best customers that you are looking for. And there's another catch. Doing the NPS at different moments throughout the customer journey. One is the NPS pre-delivery, where you are looking at the propensity for them to recommend your company after the purchase experience, and the NPS post-delivery, the propensity for them to recommend your products and your company after they receive the goods, so after the whole customer journey. So, want to find more about it? There's another video for it.